Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today's video I am actually going to Cobra Exhaust to get an exhaust on my car. So at the moment I'm just letting it warm up. So just this minute fired it up. So I'm letting it warm up and then let you listen to it, what it sounds like at the moment where it's got no exhaust. We'll get down to Cobra and then I will film them fitting my exhaust onto my car. So that should be good to film, and so I hope you enjoy today's video, me getting my exhaust fitted onto my 2015 Ford Fiesta Zetec S Black Edition. It's just starting to rain now, so you can see on my front windscreen. It's just starting to rain, and you can see on my driver's door window, you can see it's been raining. But we'll be inside most of it, hopefully, and getting the exhaust fitted, so we'll get them recorded and fitting it all. And then I'll let you listen to it, what it sounds like as well, when it's all being fitted and that. Right, my car's slowly warming up. It's got a bit warmer than last time, so I can rev it now. So I'll let you listen to what it sounds like inside the car, stock, and I'll take you outside and listen to what it sounds like outside, so you can compare the difference when I get from my stock exhaust to my new exhaust, so you can tell the difference from the sound from inside the cab and outside. So if I turn you around, you can see it's still fairly warm. So this is what it sounds like inside. This is what it sounds like with the door open. So now I will take you, settle you up outside, and I'll rev it outside. So I'll get you set up out there. Right, now you're outside, so let's let you listen to it sound what it sounds like outside. You can see where the smoke is coming out, that's where it is. It's still 100% warm, but it'll do. So that's what it sounds like outside my car. It's just starting to rain, that's why I'm just rushing to get back in my car. Let me just flip this over. So yeah, that's what it sounds like outside the car. So it's just starting to rain heavier now, that's why I just rushed to get back inside my car. So we'll start heading down to Cobra now. So take a nice little steady drive, and I'll find somewhere where it fully warms up, where you don't see none of that smoke, because as you can tell, it's not 100% warm, but it's got a fair bit of warmth to it. So we'll get it somewhere now, so it's gonna be dry, where we're not gonna get wet in the rain and that a lot. If it stops, hopefully it does stop. So yeah, I'll catch you guys at somewhere where it's a bit more decent, where I can keep you outside and rev it with none of that white smoke coming at you, because it's not 100% warm, but it would perfect how it is now. So meet you guys somewhere where we can get it all at Cobra. Right, just made it to like a little underground. People might know where I am location wise by just looking around. So, yeah, people might know where I am, some people might not know, but just like a little underground. I'm going to pull a bit more forward in, some more back in, some more not from the edge. And I'll probably put windows down. Hopefully you can hear it. This is what it sounds like at the minute, stock. So I'm hoping you can hear it. Ignore the beeping, that's just me not having my seatbelt on. Hopefully you can hear all the noises. Hopefully it gets louder when it gets more. Like, people will look at me thinking, why the hell is this dude just going round in a circle? So hopefully you can hear it a lot better when it gets much louder. So That's what it sounds like underground. Let me just put my seatbelt on. Stop this beeping. 1 minute. So yeah, I hope it sounds a lot better. Good on camera. As it does, let's make it a bit brighter in here for you. That didn't do no, right. Let me just, there we go. So yeah, hopefully it makes it a lot more better. You can hear the noises my car actually does make. With stocks, I'm hoping it's going to be a lot louder and you can hear it a lot more better. So yeah, hopefully now we just have to wait to my time for Cobra. So I just thought I'd just take you into this little underground. Probably stick a camera on the back, a little GoPro on the back, so you can listen to it when I'm just driving around. So that's what I'm going to do now. Set a camera up on the back, pointing down to the floor, so you're just going to look at the floor. But it's more for the noise, so you can hear what it sounds like without the beeping and all. And that you can leave here, drive around this section and put a little noise for you. So I'll set that up for you. Right, I just set a camera up on the back end of my car, so we're just going to drive around this little underground and let you listen to it, what it sounds like driving around and that lot. So I'm hoping that little footage what I just did on my GoPro, I just parked up and took it back out. So hopefully I'm going to play it back and hopefully you can hear some good noises. Even if you can't, I'm still going to use the footage from it. And I'll put it again with my new exhaust to see if you can tell the difference from listening it through the GoPro with its case or through my main camera and what I'm actually using. So take a listen to this and see what it actually sounds like. Right, I'm putting you outside in this underground, so let you listen to it a lot better while it's fully warmed up. So you can take a listen to what it actually sounds like. Fully warmed up. You get the good stuff. So that's what it sounds like. So I'm going to set you up somewhere. I'm going to do a little drive-by. So I'm going to get my car in position. I'll set you up. Set you up. And let you listen to it. Right, I'm just going to jump in my car, go down there, turn it around and come back up and let you listen to a drive-by. So that's what it actually sounds like on a drive-by. I was like literally a picture up and started still filming, so that's what it actually sounds like on a drive-by, and just going back into the spot where I was. Let's do that. See, stops beeping. So yeah, that's what it sounds like doing a drive-by, so I hope it sounds alright. So I'll do exactly the same again when I get the new exhaust, so you know what it sounds like, the different parts from drive-by with a stock exhaust. So all this lot at the start is all stock, but then when you see the exhaust getting fitted and we do this again, hopefully it just stays quite like this it is now, and then we'll do some more drive-bys like where I've done. And you can compare the different sounds. So if you're looking for an exhaust for yours Fiesta, like a 1 litre EcoBoost, the 140 brake, then you know what it's going to be sounding like when you want to get yours. Compare yours to another brand or with Cobra like me. So you know, I'll send you, but I'll tell you which exhaust I'm having. I'm having cat back, so it'll be from the cat all the way to the back end is all going to be Cobra. The downpipes I ain't done yet. I'm going to do that in the later future, hopefully, if I keep the car that long, or I'll probably just do it anyway, see what it sounds like. So I thought I'd do cat back at the start, see what it actually sounds like, and see if it actually makes any difference. So you guys are going to find out with me what it's actually going to sound like. Hopefully it sounds good. I'm being told it's going to sound good. I'm going to love the sound. I have listened to the clips what Cobra provide before you want to purchase it, so I have listened to that and it actually does sound nice. And the other bit of exhaust I'm having with mine is no restriction, so it's straight from the cat straight back. Nothing's going to stop it. It's just a straight through pipe all the way through to the back end, so that should make it a lot more louder. It's got no restrictions stopping it and dampening the noise. So we'll catch you. I'm going to start heading to Cobra now. I'm going to get there a bit early, but usually what time is, but I'm going to get to Cobra now, so I'll meet you guys back at Cobra. now outside. So there's my car, and it's all fitted up, just doing the final checks, and then I'll be able to take it away and let it, first time hearing it, what it sounds like. So just let them do the final bits and wait for them to fully complete it. Right, they've just done the final checks, so I'm just going to reveal my car now. You can see it there, the shutters are shut, so I'm just waiting for the final result of the result. So you're going to see this car same time as me and what it's going to sound like. So here we go. It actually does sound nice. There she is. Can't wait for you to see this. This is actually sounding amazing. That's what it looks like. Hopefully the wind's not destroying the audio, but I hope you can hear it. That has just finished it off. That sounds right nice. Just finishes the car off that. Right, I just had a little drive off camera so I can get my full opinion on my new exhaust, and just let you listen to yourself. Right, it's off at the minute, so this is what it sounds like on turning on. Now you can tell how much difference it is already. Turn my music off. Right. This is only a little. I'll show you on my dash, because you can still hear it. That is all it's there. Oh my god. If you are actually looking for an exhaust, I fully recommend this exhaust. I'll take you through a better look so you can actually see what it actually looks like. Probably get kicked out of here because that is unbelievable. So I'm going to do this again, do a drive-by. So I'm going to set you back up how I did last time. So probably put your roughly back over the year so it gets a bit longer go. So I'm going to set this up and hopefully no one messes with my camera. We'll get you set up. I'm going to leave it running. So you can tell how different it actually sounds. It sounds a hell of a lot better than what it used to. So I'm right happy how it actually sounds. So I fully recommend getting a Cobra cat back, no restriction exhaust. It sounds amazing. So what I'm going to do is kick the camera on the back again, take you around on block and let you hear it through the GoPro, through this. So I'm going to mount this back up so you can hear it from stock and now this version of my new car. So let's get you set up with that one. Now you know what it sounds like outside with the GoPro. It actually fell off. So you've seen the footage, it actually fell off. But lucky enough I was in a car park when it actually did fall off. I'm just at Costa now, just getting a drink and then we'll carry on with this video. Right, so you know what the exhaust sounds like, you know how much I actually love the sound. I'll just find it back up. But you can listen to this. Oh, my stop start's kicked in. Right. What you can tell how much it sounds better. So I will full on 100% recommend buying a Cobra Exhaust from them. It's been the best thing I ever done. I am 100% happy with the service I had and the quality of the product they provide. So there will be a link in the description of the exhaust I got, and also you can have a look at their website, see if they actually do an exhaust for your car. So I will 100% recommend them. What I had an experience with them were brilliant. What I'm going to do now is just set this camera up. You're probably not going to see me as much because we are going to go in the dark. As you can tell, you can't see me as much now. But can I put this on auto? No. But yeah, I'm going to try and brighten me up best as I can for you. But if you can't see me as much, I apologise, but this is mostly this is coming off my windscreen. This is mostly support for the sound of my exhaust than mostly seeing me. But I'll just let you have a little drive back, little drive around, and just let you listen to. We're in this little car park. We're in an underground car park, so I put all windows down. Let you listen to it while we drive through this little underground car park. So yeah, you can tell how much better it sounds. Yeah, like you can tell now we're in dark. Just put my windows up a bit. My windows are not fully up. I don't know if you can tell on my driver's window how much they are up. But oh, the sound of this is unbelievable. You can still have music on and you can hear your music no problem. Even if you've still got hands free, you still can hear people on your hands free, so you don't need to worry about that. But oh, I 100% recommend it. It's 100% changed the sound. It sounds so much better. And I noticed as well when my exhaust is getting warm, there is a slight pop and bang. Not loud, but there is a slight pop and bang. You can hear it. See if I can get it to pop and bang a bit. Just ignore the little beeps. This is my phone and watch going off. But I'm trying to get it to pop and bang while we're getting traffic now. But oh, the sound of this is unbelievable. You hear it a little bit? You can just hear it. It does sound good. But so there is a slight pop and bang, and that is just changing the exhaust. No tune. It's just. It's 100% the stock. But we're stuck in traffic. As you can tell, I got a red light and now I got a van shine light on me. It's even better. I like to get through this traffic, but I don't know if I can fit through that gap. Where's the gap down there? So I got to wait in it. But if you're on a quiet mode, just if you have stop start, it's not that too loud. Like it's not now. It's on stop start. So all you can hear now in the background is my wiper blades. But if I just put clutch down, it's like now. That's just in neutral, clutch up, just 1000 RPM, just an idle. It's got a nice little rumble to it, but then you just put 1.5, that's 2. That's when you get your little bangs and that. Punch it. Oh, it just sounds mint. And this is just like 40 miles an hour, the speed limit on the road. I know you can't see it, but let me just get around this corner and then you just cruise at 40. 35 miles an hour, and it's just got a nice tone. Not in your face. Probably sound like it outside if I put windows back down. It's just got a lovely tone to it. for what told me to get it. I just want to say thank you. It has been the best thing I ever done. And then people said, oh, get this one, Cobra, because they got it. Oh, thank you. Problem is, I don't want to go home, I just want to carry on driving. Oh. Pull somewhere so I can take this camera down, because you are going to fall any second. Sorry about the shakiness, because you are holding up by one suction cup, so I'm hoping you stay holding. Just enjoy it. I'll let you enjoy the sound too. I'll find somewhere to park. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the sound of that. I know you can't see me as much, I'm trying to get as much in the light I can. So I hope you enjoyed the sound of my exhaust, and you will be hearing it more in the future. I want to say a big massive thank you to Cobra for fitting my exhaust on my car. It's made my car sound so chuffing good. I am so pleased with the result, what I got out of my car, with all the sound and how much it's made me more in love with my car again. Just can't wait to go out and more meet, so everybody who wants to hear my car in person to come down to a meet where I'll be going hopefully to some more meets, and you can take a listen to it in person, because I don't think listening through my microphone is doing it justice, because this is actually sounds amazing. So hopefully I see you guys in person, you can take a listen to it in person. Yet again, I want to thank Cobra again for doing an amazing job fitting my exhaust, and amazing service as well for looking after me, and also letting me film where I can for them to fit in my exhaust for my car. So I really appreciate them. So give them a check out. There'll be a link in description for their website, and also there'll be a link in description for the exhaust I actually got fitted on my car. So if you do have a Ford Fiesta Zetec S, don't have to be a black edition, it can be a Zetec S. I think it fits a, not looking at the rest, but I think it fits an ST line, if I remember right, but I'm not 100% sure. But you can have a look on their website with all the details and that, like, will fit your Fiesta or any other cars you would like an exhaust with. But I would definitely check out Cobra. So there'll be a link in description for their website to see what exhaust they do for your vehicle. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.